Hello Team B, welcome. I'm so excited to see you again. We're talking a little bit more about health today and more specifically healthy eating. So to get strong and stay healthy, you have to exercise, of course, but you also have to eat healthy. So half of it is what you do with your body, half of it is what you put in your body. Put it together, one healthy person. So here I'm going to teach you how to make a delicious smoothie. You can put whatever you want in your smoothie. We are making a strawberry banana smoothie today. So here are the ingredients. I have some milk. If you don't like milk or if you cannot drink milk, you can use other things. You could use juice, you could use almond milk, you could use soy milk, you could even use water. I just like to get the vitamin D and calcium, so we're using some milk there. This is some flavoring, and it's actually lemon cake flavor. It's delicious. So parents, it's called omega-3, so we know it has some really healthy stuff in there that makes you super powerful. We have banana, we have avocado, we have honey, and frozen strawberries. You can also put yogurt in there. That's a very good healthy thing to do. So I like to start by putting in my banana. I cut half a banana today to put inside. And you don't, this is a really small blender, it just makes 1 cup. You can make a big blender full and everyone in your family could have some. All right, now I have some frozen, oh look at that, 1 big chunk of frozen strawberries. Stick that in there, see if I can squeeze a few more. This side, I'm gonna leave some space for my avocado slice, which I cut off earlier. Boop. All right, and there you go. Avocado, so tasty. All right, I'm gonna put some honey in now. Depends on how sweet you want it. There's the honey. Here's that lemon cake flavoring, so yummy. If you don't have the lemon cake flavoring, that's fine. Just put the honey in. That will make it sweet too. Okay, and top it up with the milk. Always put the milk in or the liquid in last. There we go. So who can think of some other things that you could put inside? Yeah, you could put blueberries. Yes, raspberries, blackberries, those are very good choices. Peaches, I've heard someone say peaches. Some people even put spinach in there. So cool. Okay, this is gonna be a little loud, my friends. Turn it upside down. Out of whatever you want. Pour it in. Okay. That's it. A delicious smoothie for anyone in the family. So your challenge today, my friends, is to make your own smoothie. Make your own recipe. You can do whatever you like. Strawberries, if you like strawberries, put strawberries in it. If you don't, then don't. Blueberries, you want it nice and purpley bluish. Fill it full of blueberries, a blueberry smoothie. Maybe you just like banana, just a banana smoothie. Whatever you wish. So your assignment is make a smoothie and enjoy it. All right, Team B, this is our secret handshake. Up, down, wiggle, wiggle, pop. Love you guys. See you again soon. Bye.